All right, guys, this evening I'm drawing a couple of shapes on this table. I want to teach you how to draw a star and a star with different points, different amounts of points. First thing you'll need to do is start out with a square perpendicular line. So we'll use this framing square here real quickly, and let's see here if I can get that situated. We'll draw a line and a square, and then we'll extend them both out for you. So this will be our crosshairs, you might say, that we're going to start with our compass. All right, after you have that done, it doesn't matter the dimension, that's up to you what you want your star, but your star points will be whatever the diameter you set your compass to. So I'm going to do one about this size, but whatever size you want your star points to be overall, just draw a circle. Hopefully you can see that right there. All right, once you've drawn a circle, we need to take one quadrant or the other and divide it in half. And so take your point from the center and move it to the outside edge along one of your lines and make a couple of crisscross marks across there. With these two marks here, you want to take a ruler and extend a line and connect those dots. Once you have those dots done, you've divided this space into half. Take your compass and readjust from the center to that line. And then what you want to do is now put the center point on that line and rotate it around and make another smaller circle inside right there. All right, once you have that done, take your compass, put it down here at the very bottom of your circle and extend your compass up until it touches this circle, whatever that dimension is. Once you have that, you're going to draw an arc. This arc, no matter what size you do, will not be a half circle. It'll actually be just a little bit short, and it will not intersect with that line right there. But it does need to touch right here. So draw a full circle, then a smaller circle that's half the size by finding these two center points, then mark from here to the edge of the circle and draw an arc. Once you have that done, loosen your compass back up, go back to the bottom and extend to the top of the same circle. Once you have that, mark all the way around, and it should just skim right past and cross over to here. Once you have that, you're ready to start connecting the dots. So we'll set that aside, and then for clarity, I'm going to use this black marker here, which is not as precise, but it'll help you all see it. You want to go from this intersecting mark here where this bottom circle lays out. I'll put some dots here. These are the dots that you're going to connect to make a 5-point star. And so then you guys know what a 5-point star looks like. You can just connect these dots. Connect straight across. This is your traditional kind of lone star, American star, 5-pointed even star, where all the dimensions, no matter which way you look at it, are the same. Now, once you have determined 5 points like this, you can easily divide that into 10 by using your compass and finding the center on each one of these, because this distance from here to here, there to there is all the same. So this will work for 5, 10, 15, 20, any number of 5 points. You can just continue to divide it up. But that's how you lay out a 5-point star, the very simplest way. And then obviously you can erase these inside lines. All right, so we've looked at a 5-point star and how to draw it by using a compass. Now I want to show you how to draw a 6-point star. And the reason that that's important is because it's extremely simple to draw. And once you've drawn a 6 point, you can divide that easily into 3 points, or you can go to 12 or 24, any number of points you want. Anything that is multiplied or divided by 6. So first, make a crosshairs. Just for simplicity, you do not actually have to have a crosshairs, but you do need a center point. Once you have set up your compass to the desired outer dimension of your star, draw a circle. Start with a circle, make a full circle all the way around, and then without moving your compass, you can start at any point you want to and make an arc. Then move your compass to that intersecting point you just made, and you'll notice it's going to cross where you started. Just make another arc. Move to the next one and continue the same process all the way around. Notice that we landed right back on the top. So we're actually dividing this thing perfectly around. And then we're going to move one last time. It looks like we made a flower. However, if you will take your straight edge and connect, here I'll give you these dots, connect here, here, there, 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 and there. You'll notice you have 6 points. So take each of your cross points, and connect every other one. As you go around, you're going to get a 6-pointed star, which in just a moment is going to look very familiar to you. It is based off of a circle that with the same radius lapped around and round and round makes a 6-pointed star. Obviously, to make 12 points, you can then use these lines to add another point from your center sections on each one through here. You can continue by adding 12 more points, or more and more, until you have a solid cog. Hope you enjoyed that. This is how you do a 3, 6, or a 12, 24 point star.